Use a new condom every time you have sex, from start to finish. Open the package carefully. Squeeze the tip and unroll it all the way down before you start. With latex condoms, consider using lubricants like KY Jelly or Aqua Glide. But don't use products like body lotions, oils, or Vaseline. Afterwards, remove the condom carefully. And to avoid spilling, hold the rim and remove the condom while still erect. Take a bow. You deserve it. Remember, condoms should be used consistently and correctly to prevent STDs, HIV, and pregnancy. So make sure you always come prepared.